Back again.
All right, so we wanted to take the Clark pads, and these are the version 2s. So we wanted to take these and pop them on here. What I didn't realize, and actually he mentioned it, but I forgot, is that Splyce said these, I guess he sent them along as a third rail, so you can put them in the middle of the 2 brackets. That way you have 3 even pieces, and you can put Velcro on the back of your Clark pads. I mean, you could just put a whole backing on it, but we kind of put it where it'll probably touch, and then you can just slap them on here. So we're gonna put the Velcro pads on the back, put the Clark pads here, and we can adjust it where we want. That way you have 3 even surfaces. If I would have realized that, I would have painted these black as well, and I probably will, just so it all looks black. But for now, that's what we got. So you can see that you're able to, here. You're able to put the Clark pads wherever you want them. If you want them a little lower because they are a little high, you just peel them off and put them down lower wherever you want. So you have the same option, and you can put your Clark pads on however you want them to be on your wheel. So there you have it. I think that we're gonna change the colors, obviously, because the colors that we got going on here, we got all the red and the red. This is gonna be changed to black, and then she'll have a different, still have the red and black scheme, just differently. But there we have it. We have it on, so it's definitely very sturdy. We're gonna do some riding and some testing and see how we like the SplyceGuard on the MSX. All right, so we put the SplyceGuard and we put the Clark pads on this MSX. So I'm taking it out for a spin. Let's go. right, so that's all we have for you today. I just wanted to show us putting on the SplyceGuard and the Clark pads. We'll do some riding later on, and we'll get back to you with some more videos, but that's all we got today. Be sure, if you like the video, to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Help me out, make sure that the video gets circulated. I have a feeling that these SplyceGuards are gonna be all over the place because it essentially turns this into a Sherman. Doesn't change the motor and stuff, but as far as the durability, it gives you the ability to absorb all your shock with this frame. He's making one now for the Monster Pro, so I can't wait to see that one. He sent me a snapshot of what it's looking like, and actually maybe I'll add it in and the in card. And he's doing a lot of things. So if you want a SplyceGuard, make sure you get a hold of Splyce. You can get him on Telegram. His information will also be down. He's also on Facebook, but his information will be down in the description box below. So we'll see you guys next time. And until then, ride hard and keep it real. Peace.